guys, it's Sunday, April 2nd, a little bit after noon. I'm about 5 miles north of Hot Springs. Took a zero there yesterday, resupplied, had a shower, washed clothes, drank some beers. Beautiful day today. It's warm, sunny. It was nice yesterday too. Went to this little tavern called Iron Horse Station. It's a little inn, and kind of like a biker hiker bar. They didn't have any room, but they had a restaurant, little bar. Met up with Zach and Allie, nice couple in their 30s from Boston. I've been seeing them for a couple weeks now, and they're actually moving faster than me, but Allie got that virus in Fontana, and slowed them down a couple days, but they took a zero yesterday, I think Friday too. But I'm not sure how far I'm going today. Probably do another 10. I feel good. Obviously took a day off, even though it's a lot of uphill today. We'll probably hike till it's time to set up camp. Oh, doing really well. Feet are good. I got shorts. Picked up a pair of shorts in the outfitter right there in Hot Springs. Nice little town. Right by the AT goes right through it. And it's small. You can walk to everything. Lots of little motels and inns and cabins for rent there. It's very, very packed. Had trouble finding a place to stay. Had no service for a couple days, but all worked out. So, talk to you later.